With your tissues, your little minger. Gross. Are you ready for some Christmas? Did you just fall over?
No.
It's Christmas. Where are you going? Oh, for goodness sake. Oh no. Ooh. So cute. Do you feel Christmassy?
Huh?
Oh,
No.
You don't know the words.
I don't know.
We're such millennials. Cheers.
Chomped mine.
It's so high.
I will do it one day.
Yeah? What a vibe, huh? Oh. Show us your moves.
I'm gonna take a shot.
What? For fuck's sake.
Jesus.
You picked right, my friend. Oh.
Who's the kid from Home Alone?
Macaulay Culkin. McAllister's. Are we neighbours?
That's us.
Okay. Oh, but it says don't disturb. It's being creepy. Should we hide? Just in case.
No room service today.
Yes.
Too bad! Should we have a bath? Oh my god. Sir. Sir, there are robes. Oh my god.
Coffee machine.
Jesus. Now, FYI, don't drink out of the glasses. Oh my god, it's a radio that the music is coming from.
It's not a live orchestra.
I thought there was a piano next to it. It's on classical.
I think tomorrow I can just warm this up and sit.
Should we go for a swim? Absolutely nothing. God's sake, we're gonna get kicked out. How was that? How was your spa
Revitalising.
experience? Revitalising. I thought it was nice. I like a good steam.
There's like a little smell to everything.
Yeah.
I don't think it is. They've,
Well, it could be a Christmas present.
well, yeah.
Not for me.
That one.
Wow.
This thing is chunky.
It's beautiful. They're
They
outside.
are listed with the price, but for some
Oh,
reason
right.
it's- Can I ask you
Someone.
to take it out of the sleeve?
In the air.
Or something, is it?
Oh, wow.
Holy shit.
That's so pretty.
Is there any others I can
Whip it all out. Whip it all out.
It's actually pretty reasonable.
Oh,
I'm surprised
okay.
myself. It's £70.
Oh. Oh my
Before
god.
we were talking, triple
Yeah,
figures.
yeah,
And the rest of
exactly.
it- Oh god, I don't want to put this.
There's someone behind you. Hot chocolate time. It's starting to get a little darker. The sparkles are starting to come out. It's almost time. Oh my god.
So fucking sick.
It's that time of the year, painting decorations. Do you know what you're gonna paint?
Yeah, the cabin, I think.
Oh yeah. Paintbrush.
As we go into 2025, what would you like to do?
More than we've done this year. I would like to say that we apply for our visa. What do you want to do?
Well, I read more this year. I kind of slacked off when I think I got a job. But I'm hoping to continue reading.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try, not necessarily other genres, but I'll try and read something other than Tolkien.
Oh. You've got thousands of books about him now.
I know, and I read a lot of them.
Yeah, that's true.
So I'm saying like this, I'm curious about perhaps like detective ones, or I know Kyle's got his weird ones that he's always getting me to read. So keep going to the gym now that we're
I want to do that
that we're like at a gym that's closer,
accessible,
cheaper, and has way more equipment.
Yeah.
I think we'll see results quicker than we did.
I hope so.
Well, before. Same with kayaking. I know we've been a bit hit or miss in winter with it.
I'd like to do more of the other activities as well, I think, if we can. I don't know how we're going to squeeze everything in, but
I'll maybe see if I can not up my hours, but do, because I only really do one open a week, but I think I'm going to see the money.
I just think you've had a lot of faff with hours.
No, but if I
it's going to be like,
no, but if I go, if Anna has been made manager in town.
Oh, true, yeah.
Then I can be like, so that you're not doing every single open
Yeah.
all the time. I'm happy to like do
Just
two.
say like, hey.
I'm happy to do 2 or 3 a week, and
Yeah.
I'm not completely blitzing it.
Yeah, the
Earning
5
myself
days
out
was
like
too
I've
much.
just gone, but I'm
Yeah.
still earning decent money where I.
I'm gonna need some
You need
darker colours, don't you?
It's got green.
some browns, some creamy light colours. Oh, this is gonna be fucking hard. Why have I done this? Well, I chose Medina the first day that we went. However, the photo reference is of the second time we went, which I think was the last day, because it was a fun trip. Medina was our favourite day. It was just very cool. It was the proper like historic.
We went to the jailhouse and they
There's the
filmed
museum.
Game of Thrones there.
Yeah, true. It just was weird.